Hello guys and welcome back to my English comprehension exercise, Spider Monkey English. I want to let you know guys that English can be fun. English is fun. But before we get started on this next exercise, please like my page and hit that subscribe button down there for me and make a comment guys. Make a comment on the videos if you like the videos on that. Are you ready to learn the next English exercise? Let's go.
For the following items, choose the word which most closely matches the definition. For example, a place where people live. The correct answer is house. Complete commercial control. Monopoly. Get closer. Approach. Defeat. Overcome. Conquer. Develop slowly. Evolve. Fall down. Collapse. Resident. Inhabitant. Very valuable. Priceless. Terrible hunger. Starvation. Huge, immense. Vast. Cruel, harsh. Severe. Growth. Expansion. Fighter. Warrior. Top of a mountain. Highest point. Peak. Large building for storage. Warehouse. Path, road, way. Route or route. Poor, simple farmer. Peasant. Wild, unsettled area. Wilderness. Unbelievable. Incredible.
Person who is not brave.
Coward. Group of ships. Fleet.
I want to thank you for visiting my YouTube channel on my videos, Spider Monkey English videos. Please like my page. Please hit that subscribe button down there for me if you've not already done so. And also make a comment, guys. Make a comment on the videos. Let me know if it's helping you with your English comprehension. Until next time, guys, I will see you during the next English exercise.